Hi guys, and welcome to Cat Burglar, a tale of pursuit. I have to be perfectly honest with you, I actually tried a few levels of this because I had some problems with my mic, and I didn't realize until after the recording was actually done that it had recorded none of my audio whatsoever, which, well, pretty much sums up my computer skills. No, actually it doesn't, but hey, I really love this game and I really want to show it to you, even though I kind of tried a few levels already, so let's just start over. Okay, so it's actually a fairly simple game. The one thing that I kind of have an issue with, but that would also make it kind of too easy, is that I can't jump. And whoops, that was too close. I can't get caught by these, or I will be done for. Whoops, that was close. And I keep forgetting that I'm actually supposed to turn my camera to actually be able to see where I am going, and I have to collect these. I am usually not a collector. I usually don't collect everything that I get into, but I didn't try to collect everything the last time I was here. I forgot the key. The key is pretty important because that will let me on to the next level. So this time I am actually going to try to gather everything. Okay, so that's the last diamond. Let's grab that and see what it actually gives us. Okay, so let's head down here and grab the last two keys and jump down and on to the next level we go. Victory! Yay! Okay, and this is what I absolutely love. Cat Burglar is a pet cherry awareness game. After each level, we will share a great organization with you. And I absolutely love animals. Well, most animals. I am not too fond of spiders and creepy crawlies like that. But I myself actually have 3 cats, a dog, and a bird, and 2 of the cats are actually rescue cats. I had them from teeny tiny kittens that I found, and I bottle fed one of them. She was so tiny, and I absolutely love her like crazy. I love all my pets. So I really hope that you would check this out. Do what you can, and please, let's just stand together for the animals. So let's continue on to the next level. Doggo Corps Base. Doggo Corps Leader, Major Bull. Cat will be showing up soon to steal our gems. It is our mission to capture her. Any questions? Siri. Oh, it says Sir. It's an exclamation point. Oh god, I've been reading it as Siri the entire time. I had no idea why the hell they would make Siri into the game. Whoops. Okay, let's try that again. Sir, why are we putting gems around the base? To catch cat, of course. Sir, why do we want to catch cats, sir? Because she's trying to steal our gems, of course. Sir, yes, sir. Roof. That's just a little weird. Okay, so level 2. Here we go. Let's get in here, get the gems, and let's hit up. Okay, so there are gems in here too. But why does it say it gives me a bonus to collect all the gems when I don't see that I have actually gotten a bonus? Why? Oh, wait, that was close. That was a little too close for comfort. Okay, let's get in here and go down. Key. Okay. Uh-oh, go away. Go away, thank you. And over here. Okay, so I don't remember. Oh, yeah, there's a key down there too. Seriously, it's like 10 minutes ago since I actually played this level, and yet I basically don't remember anything. That just tells you something about my my memory. I love the wanted posters. They are too funny. There's just so much about this game that you realize the details of once you actually played it and are able to replay it. And I think it's absolutely hilarious. Okay, so we go in here. And oh, I can actually see in here. That's nice. I know there's a key in here. Why can't I get the key in here? There it is. Okay, so that was 3 out of 4. So the only one I'm missing is the one out there. And I am stuck on something. Okay, so we're gonna just go back up because I've actually been caught by that guy once before because I didn't realize this beam would go all the way into the hole that I'm actually standing in. So that was kind of a dum-dum on my behalf. So let's head up here. And let's actually just follow the beams because I tried. Oh god! Damn it, I was too quick! I actually tried once to go the other way around the beam, which only got me caught. Okay, so this time I'm actually not gonna go for all the gems because that would just take me too long. And to be perfectly honest, I just want to get on with this game because I really like it and I find it really fun. Whoops, let's not go too far that way, shall we? And the beam goes in there and he goes away. The weird part is I really don't have to hide in order to actually get away from these guys. I just have to be far away enough for the beam not to hit me. So I can basically stand in plain sight right in front of these guys. And they would be none the wiser. See, I can literally just stand here in the middle of the corner. And they just walk straight past me. Okay, so let's just be careful with the beam. And let's try not to get caught this time, shall we? Let's just go over here so I can move the camera. And let's just take it nice and slow. Just gonna stay in the corner till that one passes. And that one passes. And then we can move over here and hopefully... Oh, wait, that was close. We tried to grab that key. Oh, that was a bit too close for comfort. And we go back up. Oopsies. Alright. Oh, there we go. And open the door. Yay! So, this is actually... Well, I've tried... Aw, guide dogs. I've actually tried a little bit of level 3, which is this. And this is pretty much as far as I've gotten. And I absolutely adore that dog. Oh, what does it... Oh, Fido! You can actually see his name on the bowl. That's kind of cool. This is actually the level I've gotten to, because this is tricky as hell. And I can walk straight up to this dog. And I can sneak around him, but if I move too close, he will catch me. But he's actually the only dog that just stands there. Okay, so let's see, we can go down here, grab this, and in here, and grab the key. Okay, so let's take a peek. Okay, let's head out here. And go up. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I am I gonna get down there? That's what I don't understand. I have to get down there somehow. I just don't know how to. Well, let's go up here and grab the key. That's up here, because this one is really tricky, because I have to move against the race. I can't jump, which means I can't get over that box. And I have to hug the corner. Oh, god damn it! Okay, so let's try that one more time, shall we? And not too close to you. Grab the key in here. Okay, so let's try to move the other direction this time, shall we? Go away, doggo. Okay, so how do I get over there? Am I just crazy or what? Maybe I can actually... Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Can I actually, if I go this way... Okay, that was a tad too close. Okay, so what the heck do I do? And now... And I get over here. Can I get down this? Ooh, I could get down that way. Okay, so how do I get past you? Okay, so you're basically standing there turning. Okay, so I have to move this way. Okay, the cameras ain't actually making it any easier right now. Stand here without, yeah, I can stand there without getting caught. And hurry. There we go. That's one key. So how do I get that key down there? Can I just, oh god damn, this camera's gonna drive me crazy. Can I just get down this way? Yeah, I could. Nice. And I can't see a goddamn thing. Please don't fall down now. So there we go. And then grab that key. So we actually just have one key left to get. And let's just actually get this one now. Let's not screw up. Let's not screw up. Okay, go away, doggo. Thank you. And let's get over here. Up before the dock gets there. Let's just move out just a tad so I don't get caught by the beam. And let that beam pass. Okay, I gotta see. There is a safe point over there. Okay, cool. Oh, let that beam pass and go. There we go. Oh wow, I have never gotten this far. Well, I've only tried it twice, but still, you catch my point. And we go down here, and we go behind Mr. No! God damn it, I did not just do that! Oh, come on! Seriously, what the hell is going on with me today? Oh man, I am so not lucky today. Okay, so let's see. So I go up here again. And come on, I have to do this. I was doing so well. How could I screw that up? It was so, I was basically there. What? Oh god. And thank you, and wait. And there we go. Okay, so, oh god, these camera angles are gonna drive me nuts. I was literally standing in nothing. I was in thin air. Oh, come on. Down, thank you. I'll just stand here for a second until that dog is gone. Now let's get down. Let's try this again. Move up. Go away, doggo. Oh god, seriously, I was doing so well. I actually had it. I had everything I needed. Well, except for the gems, but still. I had all the keys. Oh, come on. Don't screw with me now. There we go. Now let's not get close to Mr. Doggo this time. There we go. That was better. That was what I intended to do the first time. Aww. Old friend senior dog sanctuary. Aw, that's cute. Aw. You win. Check out this great charity. It is. Aw. Doggo. Okay, this looks a bit tricky. Oh dear. Oh, come on. Oh boy. This does not look easy one bit. So, I'm not really a gem hunter. And I don't see any. No, there's no keys out there. So, someone tagged the wall. So I'm just gonna, okay, so I have, how am I supposed to get, what's that? Oh, seriously? Thank you. So go up here, and over here. That's made to pull, I would assume. Okay, now what? Oh, I'm right here. Okay. So grab that key right there. And down here again. And up we go. How am I supposed to get that key? That's what I don't understand. Oh god, I am why does it all of a sudden sound like Christmas music? Oh, no. Oh, God, I did not know that it was going that way. Oh, God, this is so funny. So, guys, I am basically out of time for today. This was such a blast. I am going to leave the name and the link in the description down below so you can go check this out for yourself. And this time I'm actually going to ask you to do something that I've never asked you to do before. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And so you will be up to date on whenever I upload a new video. I know I haven't uploaded for a while, but that's all going to change. And I really appreciate everyone watching this, and I really hope that you enjoy this. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Bye.